Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for choosing to spend a little bit of your day with me and the happy crew. I am excited because I have two boxes for you. I have both October and November's AmazeBox to bring to you, and we're going to find out if in fact it is amazing. I just started getting this subscription. It is a monthly subscription for $42 a month, brought to you by LimeLife. And I like the LimeLife products by Alcon. They're all natural, cruelty-free, and I've enjoyed using their products, so I thought it'd be worth trying the subscription. You're always guaranteed to get at least a $50 value out of it, so basically it's like you're getting their products at a discount. And we're going to check and see what is in here. This one is November's box, and the pink one is October's box, so let's dig right in and see. Zena's already had enough and left before I could even get her a chance to say hi. And Wyatt thinks this is about the size of a work box. Oh, Wyatt. Too funny. All right, so right off the bat inside, I see your October AmazeBox. And this says, let's lift each other up. Our LimeLife family is always looking out for each other, and we learned a long time ago that working together helps lighten the load. Breast cancer has touched nearly all of our lives, so now we're using our strength to help spread awareness among the ladies we love. Join us and check out off these simple steps as you go. So this is all about early detection. Pink obviously was for Breast Cancer Awareness Month last month, and I didn't get a chance to bring this one to you guys, but I love that they tell you what to do and give you steps. And this also gives me information on the products that are inside this box. So let's do it. And LimeLife products are generally both skincare, natural skincare, and professional makeup. All right, so first up, what have we got here? This is the Perfect Mini Lip Gloss in Bliss. And the full size product is $18. So here's what it looks like. See if I can put a little bit on here. Doesn't have a smell. Feels good on. I love these kind for my purse. And I love, because you know, when it's hot, I hate whenever you have an actual lipstick and then it might melt when it's hot in your car. And I like the liquids for that reason. And I love how glam their little lids are on their lipsticks all the time. Isn't that cool? All right, so this one says the non-stick formula can be used on its own or on top of your favorite perfect lipstick or enduring lip color to add a shine and the appearance of healthier, more voluptuous lips. I like it. Good lip gloss. Next up we have, let's see, I'm going to get everything out of here and we'll get right through it. We have a little, what is this? Is it like a little, it is. Look how cute that is. It's a little mirror. Here's the back. But it's a great little compact little mirror, and it is, yeah, so it is magnified on one side and regular on the other. Perfect size for your purse. Even if you just carry a little wristlet, is that not the perfect size? Nice and thin. Love that. All right, what else have we got? And it doesn't actually give a value for that. I like it. I love a little purse mirror. Next, all right, I'm already ripping this open, didn't tell you what it is. This is the Perfect Glow Moisturizing Bronze Lotion, and this is a 5 ounce, so it looks like a regular size in rose gold. This is valued at $28. It says the Perfect Glow in Rose Gold adds a burst of sunshine to your skin with this shimmering liquid bronzer. To use it, you use a small amount gently and quickly massage onto your skin. After it dries, the application will be, you can repeat it for a darker finish. This does have a cover over it. And well, this is kind of interesting. Yeah, bronzing lotion. Cool. Have you guys tried this? I have not tried a bronzing lotion. So I'd be curious to hear what you guys, if you guys have tried this and if you like it. I've used a tanning lotion, not a bronzing lotion. So I'd love to know what the difference is. I'm guessing it, yeah. Yeah, it says not a self-tanning lotion, will not prevent sunburn. Yeah, so I'm curious. I've not tried this before. All right, and I have one more thing in here. This is the Enduring Lip Liner. And it says that this is valued at $18, so it is a full size. It is so windy outside, it's crazy. Here's the color. And it says, this professional formula will last hours, giving you a crisp line that prevents lip color from feathering or bleeding. $18 is the value. So it looks like you did get products valued at over $50 this time, so that's awesome. I think these were some good choices. There's the color of the lip liner. You guys can see that on my skin. That's nice. It's a nice neutral, I think. All right, so that is September's, or no, I'm sorry, October's box, right? Okay, yes, October's box. Let's get into November's box, which is this fun blue one. All right, November. Your November AmazeBox. Okay, so in this particular pamphlet, it talks about meeting the global members of our Together family. It says, when we make an effort to work together towards a goal, we not only find common ground, but we also celebrate what makes us unique. Growing the Brighter Together Foundation is a goal that the LimeLife family shares this month, and always meet two of the incredible women who've been able to reach their goals through partnerships with the Brighter Together Foundation. And it talks about two of those women and gives you their stories. So that's pretty cool. So let's talk about the products inside this box. They always send you little stickers too in each box. All right, let's see. I got a couple samples and a couple products in this one. The samples, which I found usually last about 3 days. The first one is the Bamboo Renew Bamboo and Lemongrass Body Scrub. And this one says, turn your shower into a spa with this revitalizing body scrub that will invigorate your skin and your senses. So if you wanted to buy this full size, it's $38. And then I also have a trial size of the skin polish. This is the Lemon and Jojoba. Yeah, so it's a skin polish sample. It says the lemony fresh, nutrient-rich mask and scrub hydrates, balances, and reduces inflammation. And this, the full size for this would be $42. All right, so let's get to the actual products. First up is the Perfect Lip Scrub. Let's see if I can get this open. It's in there pretty good. Here's what it looks like. It's in a little jar, a glass jar. And this is 0.2 ounces. So this exfoliates away dry skin and soothes and restores moisture to dry, chapped lips. So the price of this is valued at $18. Here's what it looks like. Okay. And then the other item is this, which is the Cream of the Crop Shea and Safflower Hand and Body Cream. This Decadent Extra Rich Protective Cream contains the highest quality African shea butter and safflower seed oil that penetrates deeply to heal dry, cracked, and calloused skin. And the value of this is $38. This looks like a large jar. It is 8 full ounces, so this is a big one. Oh, it smells good. Their products always smell like the spa, which I love. You always feel, every time I wear them, or use them, I always feel like I'm at a spa. That's how they smell to me. All right, and that's everything. So that's both October and November's box. So you're definitely getting your money's worth from the retail value perspective. You're getting a discount on their products, plus you get some fun samples. I do think some boxes are heavier than others, but I do think you generally get some great products to try and see if you like. And if you want to give this subscription a try, I'll put all the information down below. I love that they're cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, great products from LimeLife. All right, guys. Well, thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this. This was a fun unboxing. I was really anxious to get to my October box and hadn't gotten a chance, so it was fun to do Octobers and Novembers together. And now I have so many new products to try. I love the skincare. Those are always my favorite. And I'm kind of excited about the lip exfoliator as well. My lips have not gotten the kind of attention they normally get because I'm always wearing a mask when I leave my house. So, like, what's the point? I don't want to dirty my mask all the time. So this will be nice to try. And is this not the prettiest? And I just love this for carrying around in my purse. All right, well, thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Would love to hear what you think about these products, and if you've tried any of them, please let me know if you have tried this, if you've tried a bronzer, a liquid bronzer before. So this one I am definitely interested in. Moisturizing bronzing lotion. Thanks so much. Would love it if you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It really does help me continuing to bring you new content. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.